2006 Ford E250 Hightop Explorer Limited SE conversion van. Clean auto check. We just took this van in trade on a newer van. The owner was very, very meticulous with this van. He maintained this thing to a T. Every little thing he nitpicked and took care of all the time. The van is in excellent condition. There are a few cosmetic flaws. It has 200,000 highway miles. I believe it's 203. It does have high miles. We will price it accordingly. It is a beautiful, beautiful van for what it is and the year and the mileage. It shows very nicely. It shows like a low mileage van. Beautiful color. The interior is immaculate. It's a non-smoking van. Does have a rear power folding bed, fully loaded with leather, TV, DVD, LED lights everywhere, backup camera, navigation, wood wheel, MKW chrome wheels, Michelin tires, plenty of tread on these tires. Van runs and drives excellent. For an older van, it really does show nicely. The interior is just flawless. Very, very nice. Give you the tour on the inside. He added this extra LED backup light so you could see there's lights on the side of the van as well, just for added vision when you're pulling in, pulling out. You have your backup camera there. There is some fading on the roof that needs to be dealt with at some point. It's not that bad, but it is faded a little bit up there. That's probably the worst of the cosmetics on the whole truck. Otherwise, you have a few little nicks here and there just from normal wear and tear for the year and mileage. But only major cosmetic flaw is the roof, and that's it. Overall, the van is super nice. Got fog lights. Give you the tour on the inside. Van is running, as you can hear, it runs perfectly. No warning lights on. Runs, drives, stops great. The leather is in immaculate condition. It's got wood wheel, wood grain throughout. Backup camera, like I say. It's connected with all kinds of new functions. He put in LED lights inside the dash here. It does have a cooler that goes on and off to heat and cool your drinks. You do have heated seats, lumbar seats, navigation. This van is fully loaded. You got all kinds of extra stuff on here that he added. It's really cool. These are switches for your TV. This is all the switches for everything else. It has DVD, everything. It has a connection so you can connect your phone to the TV. It's beautiful in the back here, as you can see. I'll give you a tour back there in a sec. Beautiful, beautiful van. It has a rear power folding bed. It's folded down. Show you how that works. But overall, this van is super nice. The mileage is 203. It is running, it does run excellent. It is a 5.4 liter. Runs good. The customer drove this van to us from about 4 hours away. And we test drove it, checked it out, drives, runs good. No stories whatsoever. As you can see, the leather and interior on this van is just absolutely immaculate. It's just like a low mileage van. The previous owner was really meticulous about the condition of his vehicle, and this is the way he kept it. Just completely beautiful. He always kept all the electronics up to date. There's a power inverter here. You have your rear radio system and your DVD player. This is a connection so you can hook up an HDMI to your phone, which goes straight to the TV, so you can have all the apps from your phone on the TV, make it a smart TV just like that. Have your remotes right here, your manuals. Seats and carpet are excellent. It is a non-smoking van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. This is the rear power folding bed. The switch is here. It's also the three-way bench seat. This is the extended bed too, so it's actually a bigger space. It does slide back and forth as well. It's awesome. There's floor mats throughout. I have them in the back, the carpet, seats, everything is in great shape on this van. So it's a lot of van for the money. It's fully loaded. Navigation, backup camera, chrome wheels. I mean, it's got everything. You can travel very comfortably in here. Very comfortably. The kids can be entertained. You can camp in here. It does have a TV antenna so that you can pick up stations wherever you are. Just an awesome van. It's an awesome package. 954-561-2499. It does have track vision on the roof. There is no receiver for that. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. 06 E250 Explorer Limited SE high top conversion van. What a beauty.